48-hour Thoubal District General Strike called by Joint Action Committee against the kidnapping of Akoijam Ango is underway. The strike was called by the JAC demanding state government to trace the whereabouts of Akoijam Ango, who was reportedly kidnapped by unidentified miscreants near Butunsana Higher Secondary School in Uripok on September 30. General Strike supporters had reportedly gathered at Thoubal Kaitel to impose the strike. Shops and markets remained closed at the area while passenger vehicles suspended their service. Only few private vehicles were allowed to pass through. Later, at around 9 a.m., a police team led by Thoubal Additional SP Operation and Thoubal Police OC tried to disperse Band supporters and also allowed free movement of traffic in the district. A talk was held between JAC members and Thoubal Police, but no conclusion came out of the talk. Therefore, general strike still prevails in the district, and so far there is no report of any untoward incidents.